Look at this data. It is hard to read. When you look across the row, your eyes get lost. Is this $5,000 price for Omega Partners or for someone else? You need alternating colors. It makes your spreadsheet look like a zebra, and it is very easy to read. First, select your table. You can press Ctrl-A to select everything. Go to Format menu and click on Alternating Colors. Boom! Look at the difference. On the right side, you can choose a default style. But if these colors are too bright, you can customize them. Scroll down to Custom Styles. Click on Color 1. Let's pick a very light, soft blue. Then, change the header color to a professional dark blue. Much better. Now it is easy on the eyes. If you add new rows later, the formatting updates automatically. No more manual painting. Subscribe to Sheets Logic for more professional tips.